for some reason. Jack's just his latest target. We moved Jack away from home. We're documenting everything, of course.
Well, Jack says that things are going very well at school, so the steps you're taking might be working.
Man, I cannot breathe. What the hell? Tyler, you want me to cut this? Stole the whole thing in here. You want me to cut it? There's sections here.
Man, that's
some
no
sausage,
jacket.
some base.
Yeah.
Barnyard, man.
Got it.
Where do you see this?
Do it right at her.
And just found out how much you'll be getting back this year.
Fast. I ain't fast.
No one gets your money faster than the one anticipated.
Startled you?
And pay nothing up front.
The box right now.
Hey, dude. Hey, are you looking for the best pizza in town? Are you looking for the best subs in town? Then come on over to Al's Pizza in Chippewa. They got the best subs with the best prices. Also, 99 cents by the slice. That's all here at Al's Pizza Chippewa. So come on over. 2533 Darlington Road, Beaver Falls, Chippewa. Al's Pizza Chippewa. They're, what do you like a king?